How the Internet really works. A simple explanation for everyone. Imagine a world without the Internet. It's hard, right? The Internet is at the heart of almost everything we do today, from ordering food to streaming movies, connecting with friends, and even working remotely. It's something we use every day, yet many of us don't really know how it works behind the scenes. If you've ever been curious about what makes the Internet tick and how it allows us to communicate across the globe in seconds, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the fascinating world of how the Internet works, take a moment to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more videos just like this. Now, let's explore the magic behind the Internet. 1. The basics. What exactly is the Internet? The Internet might seem like a single entity, but it's actually a massive network of networks. Think of it like a gigantic spider web stretching across the world, connecting millions of devices. Each point in the web represents a computer, a smartphone, or any device that can connect to the Internet, and the lines connecting them are the pathways that allow data to flow between them. But this isn't just any type of data flow. It's a highly organized and complex system that allows us to send messages, download files, stream videos, and more, all in the blink of an eye. At its core, the Internet is a communication tool. It allows devices to exchange information using a language that they all understand, known as protocols. The most common protocol, and the one that makes the Internet work, is called TCP/IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol/Internet Protocol. Without this, all of our devices would speak different languages, and there would be chaos. 2. Sending and receiving data. How information travels. Now that you know the Internet is a giant network of devices, let's break down how these devices communicate. Every time you type in a website address or click a link, you're asking your device to send a request. This request travels through a series of routers, which act like digital post offices, directing your request to its final destination. Your request is broken down into smaller parts called packets. These packets travel independently and might take different paths to reach the same destination, but they all reassemble once they arrive. The place your request is headed to is a server, a powerful computer that stores data, such as a website or a video. When the server receives your request, it processes it and sends the data back to your device in the form of packets again. These packets follow the same network pathways, hopping from router to router, until they reach your device, where they are reassembled into the web page, video, or file you requested. 3. Internet Service Providers, ISPs, the gatekeepers. But wait, how does your device even connect to this massive network? That's where your Internet Service Provider, or ISP, comes in. ISPs act as gatekeepers, allowing your device to access the wider Internet. When you connect to the Internet at home, at work, or even on your phone, your device first connects to your ISP, which then connects to the broader network of networks. ISPs provide the physical infrastructure, such as cables, fiber optics, and wireless networks, that make Internet access possible. They also help manage traffic, ensuring that millions of users can browse the web, stream, and download without overloading the network. Without ISPs, we wouldn't be able to access the Internet at all. They essentially give us the key to connect our devices to the world. 4. The cloud, where data lives. You've probably heard people talk about the cloud, but what does it really mean? The cloud refers to servers that are located somewhere else, not on your personal device, where data can be stored, accessed, and processed. Whenever you save a file to Google Drive, upload a picture to Instagram, or back up your phone data, that information is sent to servers in the cloud. These servers could be located anywhere in the world. What's amazing about cloud technology is that it allows you to access your data from any device, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. And it's not just for individuals. Businesses also rely heavily on cloud technology to store massive amounts of data, run applications, and more. The cloud makes the internet flexible and efficient, allowing us to store more data than we ever could on personal devices alone. 5. Cybersecurity. Keeping the internet safe. Of course, with so much information flowing through the internet, security is a major concern. Every time you access a website, especially one that involves sensitive information like your banking details or personal messages, security protocols kick in. Websites use encryption, a process that scrambles data so that only the intended recipient can read it. One common form of encryption is SSL/TLS, which you've probably seen in the form of a small padlock symbol next to a website's URL. This ensures that your connection to the website is secure, making it much harder for hackers to intercept the information you're sending or receiving. However, security is not just the responsibility of websites. As users, we also need to be mindful of what we click on, where we enter personal information, and the strength of our passwords. A safer internet is a shared responsibility between service providers, websites, and you, the user. 6. The future of the internet. What's next? The internet has come a long way since its inception in the late 20th century. Back then, it was used primarily by governments and universities. Today, it's hard to imagine life without it. But where does the internet go from here? Technologies like 5G, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things (IoT) are already beginning to reshape how we interact with the digital world. 5G will make the internet even faster and more accessible, AI will allow for smarter and more personalized online experiences, and IoT will connect more devices than ever before, creating smart homes, cities, and workplaces. The possibilities are endless, and as the internet continues to evolve, so too will the ways in which we use it. Conclusion: the internet is an ever-expanding universe. The internet is an incredible, ever-growing network that touches almost every aspect of our lives. From sending a simple email to video chatting with someone on the other side of the world, the internet connects us in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Understanding how it works helps us appreciate the technology that powers our daily lives. If you enjoyed learning how the internet works and want to explore more topics like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the technology that shapes our world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content.